Today we are having another super short video. So today I'm going to teach you how to type the Apple logo. Okay, so it's very simple. Just go to the website which I'm giving in the description. So just go to this website which provides the Apple logo. Then just copy this up, then just put it wherever you want. Like I want to put it over here, or you want to put it in Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, anywhere you can put it over there. So as you can see that this is working right now. But if you want to replace it with whenever you type Apple in the keyboard and you want to replace it with this logo, then you need to go to actually keyboard. Just go to settings, then search for keyboard. Okay, so keyboard, then text replacement, then Apple, then go to plus icon. Okay, so whenever you type Apple, okay, so shortcut, okay, and symbol shortcut, at the place of shortcut just paste this up. Okay, so yeah, so this will be done. So now whenever you will type Apple, okay, so it's being replaced, as you all can see. So super simple. Bye, peace.